Hello learners, today we are gonna learn what port security is and how to implement it in layer 2 switches. Port security is about enabling the security feature at a port of a switch. Now we are going to enable the security feature at the fast Ethernet port. To understand the concept better, first we'll look at what MAC flooding attack is. The attacker floods the frame from different source MAC addresses repeatedly so that the MAC address table gets filled. If the table is filled, the switch will get into a mode called fail open mode and starts broadcasting the traffic just like a hub. In fail open mode, even when a switch is in fail open mode, even when a legitimate user sends a traffic, it will be received by all the hosts in the network, and it will also be received by the attacker who is aiming at capturing the sensitive data. So we'll configure the port security at this switch. So I am gonna explain this with a simple topology. So let me give the IP address for this PC. I am giving IP address as 192.168.1.1 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255. So first we'll look at the switch configurations to get into the privileged mode. And first we'll check the MAC address table of the switch. So there is only one MAC address learnt at the MAC table. And we'll also check the fast Ethernet port status and configurations. You can see the port security disabled and the maximum MAC address and what is the configuration MAC address and what are the security violations and all. The default violation mode is shutdown. Okay, let's configure the port security on the fast Ethernet port. First you have to get into the interface. Fast Ethernet 0/1. Okay, I'm first you should make the port as access port that is given to the end devices. So I'm giving the command switch port mode access for that. So here is a command to enable the switch port security. So now we have enabled and we have different options to enable the security feature. So you can see the MAC address, maximum and violation. So MAC address is like you can give what MAC address should be accepted on that port. And we have different options like MAC address. MAC address is like we can instruct the switch port from which host it should accept, and also the maximum number of hosts it can accept, and then what if someone violates it. So now we are gonna configure the MAC address. So we have two options, like we can also manually set the MAC address, or else we can configure sticky is like for the dynamic learning of the MAC address. So now we'll see what the MAC address of PC1 is. So I'm gonna copy this MAC address. I'm gonna configure this MAC address to the switch port so that it should accept the connection from only this MAC address. I have configured it. Okay, now I am giving the violation. So what if someone violates it? If some other host with different MAC address tries to connect to the port, what the switch should do? I'm gonna tell the switch that it should shut down the port. We have other options like protect, restrict also. So if you give the command show port security, here you can see what we have configured, and there is no security violation currently. And here also you can see the port security is enabled and the MAC address, maximum MAC address is 1, configured MAC address is also 1. So now I'm gonna violate it by trying to connect another PC. I'm gonna pick another PC. Okay, so we can configure this with 192.168.1.2. So the MAC address will be different, right? So if I try to connect this new device to the same port, the switch port shuts down. And you can also check here the interface is down and line protocol is down. We can also check with show switch port security command, and you can see here the security violation count is 1, and that's it. This way you can enable port security on a switch to prevent attack. Thanks everyone. Do like and share the videos and also comment your thoughts.